Hello everyone, welcome to the welcome to my video of insurance dataset. Uh, Before we starting with the video, we take a small overview of our dataset. So in our dataset, we have the columns age, sex, BMI, children, smoker, region, charges, and I added a BMI category column for extra because we have a question for a BMI classification. Moving forward with the question, we can I explain this, and also we added a bins column also. To start with the question, our first question for the basic statistics and understanding. Here we can see, uh, yeah. They said calculate the average median standard deviation for the medical charges, BMI class charges, and yeah. Okay, so here I calculated the all metrics, and here we can see I average for average purpose. I use average formula. For median, I use median function, and standard deviation, I use standard deviation function. So this is the formula I use for the charges, only the calculation of charges. Same as for the BMI and same as for the age. Next is the gender analysis. So in the gender analysis, we can see here I calculated the formula average charge and average BMI. So average if function I used here. So what asked in the question? They asked in the question compare the average medical charges and BMI between the female beneficiaries and which gender is a higher cost, average cost, and BMI. So here we clearly see that the male category is a higher average charge and BMI. So the next question is yeah the next question is impact of smoking on cost. So analyze how the smoking status influence the medical cost and uh, calculate the average cost for the smoker versus non-smokers. So here I calculated uh, smoking charges, uh, average charges for the smokers and average charges for the non-smokers. So I here also create a pie chart for the analysis purpose. uh, so here we clearly see that the smokers so smokers are 79% smokers are there, and the non-smokers are 21% are there. So clearly we can say that the smokers are impact on the cost. So the next question is dependent analysis. Evaluate the relationship between the number of children dependent and medical charges, and to beneficiaries with the more dependents incur the higher medical cost. So I show you my report. So I calculate here a correlation between the children and the charges. So and using Correl function. So here the relationship shows a weak relationship. Okay, yeah. So children, I added children column in the row and average charge for them in the values. And according to visual, you can see that red line is sloping. So the relationship is a weak. Next question is geographical insight. So determine which US region is the highest average medical cost and BMI, and created pie table and chart to summarize the data by the region. Here I create a pie chart of US region in the rows and average charges and BMI in the values column. So we can clearly see that according to pie chart visual, the southeast region is in highest value. The next question is cost distribution analysis. Create a histogram to visualize the distribution of medical charges and identify the common cost bracket. Most common cost bracket. So I created means column and frequency. How I calculated this? First, I create. beans category. And next, then I go to the data tab, and after going to tab, I select data analysis. Okay, after selecting data analysis, I I select the range, and the frequency will be calculated. The next one, okay, BMI classification. Classify the beneficiaries into underweight, normal, overweight, obese, and count how many beneficiaries fall into the each category. So here we can see, I use the formula countifs to count each category from the BMI category column. Here we see the highest number shown in the obsess category. So answer is in front of us. Uh, Moving forward to the next question, advanced correlation analysis. So they said that use a scatter plot to analyze correlation between the BMI and medical charges, and add a trade line to the scatter plot to assess the relationship. So here also we calculated the relationship between the BMI and the charges. Means the correlation we can calculate it here using the Correl function. So here we can see the relationship shows a weak positive relationship because the trade line goes downward to forward direction. Okay. Next question is a smoking and region interaction. For region interaction, investigate the interaction effects between smoking and region on medical charges, and which region has highest cost for smokers. Which region has highest cost for smokers? Here we clearly see, according to our pie chart, the southeast region is the highest in the smoking range. Okay. uh, Next, is dashboard creation for the stakeholders. So let's go on our dashboard. So here I make my dashboard, medical cost analysis dashboard. I added slicers on the basis of region, category, BMI category, smoker, and six. So, and all these visuals you can see here according to our questions asked. So the best and the main is the conclusion of our dashboard. So the main conclusion comes from the dashboard. Is the dashboard reveals that smoking status and BMI are the most significant drivers of medical expenses, and with the smokers in the southeast region experiencing the highest average charges. Overall, the medical cost consistently with the BMI and lifestyle related risk factors. So here we can see, in the clearly we can see that uh, uh, impact of preventing health behaviors and targeted wellness interventions is most important for the peoples. Thank you for watching my video.